Fidelity Bank, this is our 22nd year of operation. We started as a merchant bank, then we became a commercial bank, and finally we became a universal bank. At each of these stages, it depended on how the company saw the opportunity in the market and what was the best way to deliver value to its customers. In terms of how we see ourselves and how the market sees us, the key thing for us is that we be viewed and experienced as a professional institution. And as like our payoff line says, we say we are Fidelity, we keep our word. Very important in this kind of business, and of course, as you know, equally important because of the country in which we operate. If you look at the market that is Nigeria, 150 million people, there is a pyramid of composition in the market. You start from those who are actually excluded completely from the financial services sector, not just in banking. And these are at the bottom of the pyramid. And that's a rich mine there, minefield of opportunity. Then you have those who are in the market, and this comprises of all kinds of profile, both economic and social. Then at the apex of that pyramid are the people who actually require certain levels of attention and certain levels of advice. We always say that advice goes before any kind of financial commitment. The private banking team that we have is targeting that end of the market. The private banking team in Fidelity is very carefully selected. They are people who understand intimately the nature and needs of the market for people who are looking for private attention, if I put it that way. There are people also who have that presentation in addition to the understanding, but who also have hard skills and hard abilities, and the sort of people that you would want to advise you, if it, for example, about managing your wealth, for example, about documenting a lot of things. We talk about trust, we talk about wills, but we also talk about how to get the best possible benefit out of what you have worked extremely hard for. At the end of the day, I think we want our people, our customers, to see us as friends. A friend is somebody who comes to you and meets you at your point of need. Those who work for us in the Fidelity Private Bank work for our customers the more because they are their friends.
In 1996, our bank looked at the market and we saw that there was a gap in serving a select group of individuals who have very peculiar and complex needs. So we decided, to focus on that niche in the market and give them those personalized and professional services that they require to achieve their investment objectives.
Our core major purpose in Fidelity Private Banking is to manage the wealth of our clients. Our clients, we find them carefully, we select them from various sectors of the economy. They are captains of industry, top professionals, high profile personalities, successful entrepreneurs.
The customer doesn't come to the bank. We take it to the customer's doorstep. And at Fidelity, excellent service is our watchword.
Our services are basically unique. We tend to have a personalized touch to the service, and that drives them very well, I'll say.
We believe that every client is unique and so are their needs. So we try to understand their financial circumstances, their goals. We try to understand their objectives and then profile solutions that are tailored to meeting their needs.
We're different and we aim to serve our customers differently. The reason is because we understand that their needs are peculiar. Rather than throwing at you a one-size-fits-all bouquet of products, we give you tailor-made products and services to meet your peculiar needs.
At the end of the day, is having to look at my client and knowing that we have exceeded his expectations, knowing that we have created wealth for our clients who want to build future wealth, knowing that we have enhanced their portfolio. I particularly passionate about wealth preservation and then wealth transfer as well. It's like a long-term, a lifetime relationship with our clients. So they invest their funds with us. It's like a mother who is carrying a baby, and you have to be very careful not to lose the baby at the end of the day. What I see is a brand that is stronger, because we believe in Fidelity Private Banking that reputation is very important. So we look out for feedbacks. So for the future, I see growth. I see growth on both sides. I see from my client side, I see from the bank as well. So I see a team of professional relationship managers who are on their toes 24 hours of the day, all year round, you know, a synergy, you know, towards working towards a common goal.
A friend takes time to speak to you. A friend holds your hand. A friend is a friend. And I guarantee to them that Fidelity Bank, and especially our private banking team, are such people that they are looking for.
You know, as a customer, and for me, there are certain basic things you look for in a banking relationship. One, you are expecting excellent services, quick, excellent services. Having established that, you want to confirm, can I trust this bank? Can I put my trust in this bank? There are so many ways you do this. Some keep their wheels in the bank. You are exposed to the bank, so there must be mutual trust between you and the bank.
I have been with the bank since when it was FSB, and during the transition I moved across to Fidelity, especially the private banking, and I have enjoyed tremendous goodwill from the staff and good services, and I like the bank. I like the discretion, the privacy that they offer clients, and the fact that I have good personal relationship with the staff and management of the bank.
Fidelity Private Banking, the services are exemplary, and Fidelity is run by consummate professionals that are courteous, they have a good work ethic, and they have a can-do attitude to customer relations. Private banking in Fidelity has its privileges. I have almost a personalized tailor-made services. I know the people, and I find them reliable.
It's one of the private bankings that bring the banking business to you wherever you are, and that what makes it look good to me. Even when I am abroad, I still do my banking, through the private banking section of the Fidelity Bank. So I'm quite happy. The experience has been good. I haven't seen any fraud with my banking account, and to God be the glory. I'm still with them today. I've enjoyed care with Fidelity Bank for quite a long time.
Our customers should continue to be mindful of the fact that whatever happens, Fidelity will be there for them. Whatever happens, will continue to be the kind of institution that they have come to expect, and the experience in our service will continue to be totally devoted to them and for their satisfaction.